Hey guys, in today's video, if you like to see DIYing on a budget, you're gonna love this one. I'm frugal and it costs me like peanuts. I actually feel guilty because some of the ideas I've come up with are so easy, you really don't have to do much and call it done. So, this is some wool or string. No, it's like a wool. And I thought I got this whole big roll at the Salvation Army for $2. This whole big thing. And I had these grand ideas that I was gonna take it and I was gonna wrap, like I was gonna make little pumpkins and wrap it all around, but I ran out of time. So you know what? I'm just gonna put a stump on it. How does that look? Maybe some leaves from outside. Done. I feel guilty. Like for $2, I got this big huge roll. And I'm not gonna glue it or anything because I do want to use the wool. Or yeah, I guess it's yarn. Yarn. So I got this big huge roll of yarn for $2 at the Salvation Army. I got this piece of stump outside and these leaves outside, and that's it. I'm calling it done. Let's see what else I come up with. Hey, I'm Sandy McKenzie, LumberMill DIY. Today I'm participating in a challenge. The challenge is Make It New Challenge. I'm going to take some stuff from my stash, stuff I got thrifting, stuff I got at the dollar store, and I'm going to make a display with it. And it is so stinking easy. You can do it. If you like to DIY and you're frugal, cheap, I'm cheap. I'm calling myself cheap, not you. Cheap, like to do it on a budget, stick with me. I might have some good ideas for you. And let me know in the comments below what you like best. What you think you might end up doing. Here's a couple more things I did. I took a really cool coffee pot. Now this was a bit more expensive. It was $7, which I'm usually cheap and I usually don't spend $7. But I had to have it. The bones were so good. Okay, so you can see where this is going. I got bags of wool. Oh, it's yarn. It's not wool. It's yarn. 50 cents. 50 cents. And this one might have been a bit more expensive. How much is this one? I think this one was $1. Okay, so I got this yarn. And don't worry, I'll take some up close and personal pictures for you. I think it's gorgeous. And then I made this pumpkin. You'll see it in a different video. I just took a candlestick and painted it with alcohol ink. And this candlestick came from the dollar store, and then this pumpkin came from thrifting. And this is another video too. All I did was take a coffee pot, paint it with some Sharpies, put a little pumpkin in it, called it done. These ones were 50 cents. some, this one isn't yarn, this is more like string, but it's a yarny type thing. Gonna take that, and this is just a pine cone. I'm gonna call that a pumpkin. I'm gonna take this yellow yarn. Like I had all these, like I was gonna, oh, I'm gonna knit and crochet and wrap all these pumpkins. I'm gonna do all these crafts. I ran out of time. So I thought, heck, they look like pumpkins. So I'm just taking some branches from outside, sticking a stick in them, and calling them pumpkins. This is just a piece of bark. That dog, Willow, her nose went right up my butt. It's like, oh man. That one's done. Here's another stick. And you know what? I could make them look prettier. I could grab some jute and grab all kinds of things, but you know what? I'm just kind of out of time, and this is what I'm gonna do. Got a branch with leaves. There. What do you think so far? Oh, there's a bee there. I don't want to get stung, but I really need to. Okay. Got some more ideas coming. And the sun is shining, so yay. Thrift store, 50 cents for this bag of pumpkins. Or yarn. I'll put some sticks on those. Oh, here's a really cute, this is really cute yarn. It's like, almost like that eyelash stuff. And this one is kind of like that eyelash stuff too. That one's going to be really adorable. So I'm going to take this. Oh, here's another $4 at Dollarama. In Canada here, we have Dollarama. We do have Dollar Tree, but we also have Dollarama, and it's kind of funny because it's Dollarama, but this costs $4. So this is going to be a really cute pumpkin. I'm just going to empty out this bowl and put some pumpkins in it. And then this apple was $1.50. And this pear was $1.50. I got them both at the same time. And they're pretty. So you're going to see me stage some stuff and kind of stage it. And I'll take some up close pictures and you'll be able to stick around for the end result. I also want some height. So I got these candlesticks for $2. And I got this vase. I believe it was half price day, and I believe I got it for $3, and I couldn't let that go by. So now I've got some bones I'm gonna work with, and let's see what I can do. From the Dollar Tree, I got this Halloween cloth. That looks pretty spooky. Oh, and by the way, I got this table. This table was $25, and I love it. Love it. Okay, so I want to add some more height. So I got this stuff. This one was $2, but you can also get it at Dollarama or the Dollar Tree. This one was $1, and this one was $6.99. It was a bit more expensive. It's tin. It's really cool. If you like doing stuff on a budget, you're kind of frugal, you enjoy DIYs, you've come to the right place. I'm all about this. Using my stash, done is better than perfect. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you, bye.